Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming platform compatibility and updates, because the Overwatch unlock only appears with the correct build. Once done, make sure you own the DLC or edition that includes Overwatch. Without it, you cannot proceed. Next, sign into your EA/Origin profile and enable cloud saves and multiplayer so progression syncs. After these checks, launch the game, skip startup menus, and go straight to the live events or garage where unlocked challenges show up. That's where the first objective will appear. You now move into the main grind. Find the Overwatch event listed under live events or career challenges. Follow each listed objective. Typically, you need several head-to-head wins, targeted takedowns, and a timed speed trial to trigger the unlock. While you complete races, focus on consistency. Use drafting, nitrous economy, and corner control to shave seconds. Make sure you meet any faction rank or fame points requirement as well. If you fall short, repeat shorter events to stack credits and progression quickly. Before attempting the final objective, you finish by claiming Overwatch from the event rewards screen or your in-game mailbox. Rewards sometimes appear after a restart, so don't panic. Once claimed, equip the car in your garage, apply any liveries or performance setup, and take it on a free run to verify handling and tuning. If the car does not appear, make sure DLC ownership is active, sign out and back into your account, and verify cloud sync. One common fix is restarting the game client to force reward delivery.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.